Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are looking at how to embed a YouTube video in your Gmail or your email. So this works with Gmail or the Google email platform. It may also work with other email platforms, but I'm not too sure. I'm just going to be showing you Gmail. So if you like to share or put a video in your email, just create a link by I already made a template email here. So it says, would you like to learn more about dropshipping? And click on the link below. And now I'll just take this and then turn it into a link by clicking insert link. Then I'll come to the video that I would like to put in. So it has to be on YouTube. It can also be your own video. You can have an unlisted video as well, like a non-public. You don't have to upload it if it's going to be your own video. So after that, just copy the link and then paste it here. Click OK, and then this will make this a link to the video, and then it will also give like a preview at the bottom of the email as well. So let's also come back, click on embed, and then just take a screenshot of this thumbnail so people can see like the thumbnail of the video. It will be more attractive. Like the email, they may be more likely to click on it. So let's just screenshot. I'm on Windows, so I'm just going to be holding down the Windows key, Shift, and S key, which will bring this up. And I'll just drag to create a screenshot. That says saved. Just come here. I'll put my screenshot right here. Paste it in. And then after that, select your screenshot. Let's insert a link into this too. Click on insert link. After you, of course, highlight this. Insert link. So let's just copy again. Do this. Actually, I think I didn't select it. Do this. As I say, Control K. Go to link, change. You have to click on change. So paste the video link there. And now they can click on the video to go to the video as well. And then that's how you put a YouTube video or a video on your email. And I hope you learned something new and got value out of this. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye.